Hi, I'm Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. In this episode, we'll make together Egyptian rice pudding. I will start with adding my milk to the pan. I will infuse my milk with cardamom, cloves. I'm gonna add my mastic to a mortar here, just a little bit of sugar, and I'm gonna smash it till I turn it into a powder. I'm gonna take that sugar mixed with the crushed mastic. I'm gonna add it here, the rest of my sugar, and a pinch of salt, full of dehydrated rose pepper. I'm gonna add my vanilla, and I will bring my milk to a point like below boiling point. My sugar is dissolved, and let me show you this rice. The rice that we use in rice pudding is a short grain Egyptian rice. It has high glycemic index, and if it's hard to find it in your local market, the closest to it is arborio rice, and this is how it looks like. And this is how it gives the rice pudding consistency without corn flour. Now that my milk has come to a just below boiling point, I'm gonna lower the heat. Now my milk is infused with all the spices and dehydrated roses. At this point, I'm going to add my Egyptian short grain rice. At this point, you cannot leave the kitchen. You have to have some patience, put your favorite song, listen to it, and keep stirring and relax. I see my rice here is getting plump and it's absorbing some of the liquid, so we are getting there. My rice pudding has been cooling overnight in the fridge, and because I used Egyptian rice, which is short grain and it's very starchy, usually it absorbs the moisture and the creaminess in the milk. So my trick is, after it cools down, I like to add some whipped cream. So I'm gonna add my whipped cream to my rice here and mix it in very well until it's well incorporated. The rice has to be cooked first in boiling water before adding it to the milk at the beginning. Don't try to cook your raw rice in the milk. You're gonna end up with a very dry rice pudding. Here you have an authentic Egyptian dessert, Egyptian rice pudding. Try it in your kitchen. Don't forget to leave a comment below the video, and I will be back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.